Hey, I'm Tim. Let me show you my trail running backpack. This is a 12-liter backpack made specifically for trail running. In my sewing pattern, I give you everything you need to know to assemble one for yourself with your own design. The compression straps tie into inline D-rings, and in the pattern I describe two construction methods, one with an automatic buttonhole maker, the other without. Up top there's an extension collar with a roll top, and various methods for closing it, depending on the hardware choice. Inside the pack is compatible with a 2-liter Camelback, so there's a hydration port that can be sewn into the collar, either the left shoulder or right shoulder, depending on your preference. The back of the pack is where it gets interesting. It's a vest-style suspension like all modern trail running packs to really manage the bounce of the backpack and counterweight the balance of the gear you have in the 12-liter pack. Everything's made of mesh or Spandura stretchy material. So with the pattern, there's two different ways of doing the shoulder straps. The first is more beginner friendly. It's a vest strap with a water bottle pocket as well as a phone storage pocket, but they connect to the pack with 2 strands of webbing on each side. The wraparound style is just like this one, where it wraps underneath your arm and laces to the side of the pack to provide compression and more bounce control. It's really up to you which way you want to go. So with the pattern, you get a full instruction manual that includes a material list, instructions on how to print this out and set it up. You get a view of each panel and how they come together in the pack, and there's sewing instructions that cover every step with every panel piece. For more complicated parts, including the inline D-rings, the hydration port, and the wraparound harness, there's addendums that show you exactly how to do that and how to insert them into the pack. So if you want to make your own trail running backpack, go to my website, learnmyog.com. Download your set of pattern pieces as well as a fully documented instruction manual. And if that's not enough, I'm also releasing a video series where I follow this pattern step by step to build a whole new version of that backpack. So hopefully you'll join me and make one for yourself.